Hey guys, happy Vlogmas week 4. Today we are out and about. Me and my mom have been out. It's 11. I don't know if you can see the time. Me and my mom have been out moving around and shaking last minute Christmas shopping since like about 8:39. So we got it all done. We just hit nothing crazy that y'all didn't miss. Right now I'm waiting for my mom. She's in the produce stand right now to see if she can get some poinsettias. And then we're gonna grab some lunch. Today, later on, we have my family's Christmas party.
We're lucking out today.
We're lucking out because we're getting it all done early. Hey y'all, so I just got done filming this look for my ugly sweater party with my family. This is the ugly sweater. I originally had a skirt for this outfit because I was going to promote or do a video also for TikTok shop, but the outfit ended up working out better in my head than it actually did in real life. So anyway, so I actually did get this makeup look on my other camera. I'm gonna have to edit it later because at this point I am literally just on time. Now I mean just on time, I'm a little bit late. So we gotta get ready to go to the Christmas party. Other than that, I'll talk to y'all when we get there. Bye. Hey y'all, so we are currently in my room right now. So we're at the final stretch because I'm tired. I decided to change into my Christmas outfits. I forgot they were sitting here, and I have the outfit, not the outfit, the Christmas PJs, because these are actually PJs. I don't know if you can really see. Well, whatever. But anyway, I ordered these from Shein a while ago, and I forgot I had them because again, my room is always my final task. Okay, because the boss level of cleaning is, for me, I hate my worst chore is folding clothes. Literally, I can clean the clothes easily, but folding them and putting them back is my worst chore ever. I literally would dig and get what I have to get and then leave the rest here. That's my biggest, downfall, I guess. I'll clean the whole house and then I'll take forever to fold the damn clothes. That and dishes. I hate washing dishes and I hate folding clothes. Those are my worst chores ever. Anyway, so we're going to do that now. I'm just going to tidy up my room. My room needs a little bit of tidying up. Yeah, and that's basically it. Put my clothes away. I did order, hold on, let me show you guys really quick. TikTok shop has been my bestie / worst enemy this season. So I ordered this vacuum that I saw everybody use. It's like the Dyson dupe. So definitely going to be doing an unboxing with that with y'all on camera. And then I have to, do my TikTok shop thing. There, I'll show you guys. I'll do an unboxing of that, and I'm also going to use it as a final, dusting of the whole house because the house is finally fully clean. everything's fully done. So I'm doing my last bits of cleaning up and stuff because tomorrow, we're probably gonna chill tonight for the rest of the night and stuff. My mom's out sending gifts in the mail. It is Wednesday. This is Christmas Eve. Getting ready for tomorrow. Usually my mom does breakfast and then we go to my sister's house and a couple other families' houses. Stop yapping because I'm still procrastinating on folding these clothes. And we're gonna get right into cleaning. So I'll call y'all back. Okay, y'all, I don't have my mic on, so I hope you guys can hear me. But it's been a minute since I actually talked to y'all and picked the camera up because I've been moving and shaking. Here's hot. My heater's right here, and I'm freaking sweating from going up and downstairs and all that stuff. But I actually was driving yesterday, and we're back on the road, guys. So I'm so excited because I miss driving, and I move and shake on my own. So I ran to the Dollar Tree, and y'all, why I go to that damn Dollar Tree? Because any Dollar Tree has my heart. I am literally cheap. But if I could find a good product for like a bang for your buck type of vibe, that's why I like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods, well, not even Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Burlington, those are my three right there. Amazon, anywhere that can like get a good bang for your buck. So I've been using these Zep cleaning products. Y'all, why I went to Dollar Tree, they literally had it. You see that? $3. Right here, honey. Yeah, and they're not the little baby size. They're the big daddy sizes, okay? I did get the industrial cleaner, but that's underneath my kitchen sink right now. I'm not sure if you can use that on your kitchen stuff because it does, I don't know, it said for like outside, like it makes me sound like makes it seem like a mechanic type of stuff. I don't know. And then I also got this little Fabuloso. I used to use it on my floors, but we just got a big thing of Pine Sol I use for the floors. I like the way that smells more for Christmas time, so I'm gonna use that for the floors. And I'm gonna use this for our toilet bowl cleaner because I think it makes the bathroom smell really good when you put that in there. So, but yeah, I wanted to come on here and show you guys because I'm really excited to use this. I did use the degreaser. That's what it was, the industrial degreaser. I got the orange one and I saw that it had the purple one that went with this trio, so I grabbed that too. And I like the orange degreaser, but I wanted to use a purple one. But then I saw this one for the shower, and then this one's for mold, right? Yeah, this one's for mold. This one's for the shower. So next time I deep clean the bathroom, I'm probably gonna like, you know, fill y'all back in on how it works. So I'm not deep cleaning the shower this go around because I just did it. And I'm kind of sad because I just bought this right after I cleaned. But anyway, I'm getting beside myself. I just wanted to hop on really quick and talk to you guys about that. I gotta still continue cleaning my room, so I'll call y'all back. The aftermath of Christmas morning. Say Merry Christmas, Mom. Wave to the camera. Merry Christmas. Take us out is crazy.
Oh yeah.
I'm cracking up. That looks good.
Until the person in front of us.
No tears, no time to cry, just making the most of life. Hey, all the girls keep looking, yeah. Me and my girls on the floor like what? The DJ keeps on spinning the cut, it's like that, y'all. Yeah, they. Hey. Come over here. Hey. Happy birthday to you. Oh my God. Who has my aunt up there? See my dreams unfold, nightmares come true. And I know I'm married the game, and I said, yeah, I do. We're not even from Philly. What the hell?